Are you ready to transform your marketing efforts from good to groundbreaking? Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's your next competitive advantage. This session will equip you with the knowledge to harness AI effectively. In today's dynamic marketing landscape, staying ahead requires more than just creativity. It demands efficiency, precision, and deep insights into customer behavior. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. Artificial intelligence offers unparalleled capabilities to analyze vast data sets, automate repetitive tasks, and personalize customer experiences at scale. This training session will equip you with actionable AI strategies to elevate your marketing performance. Let's dive into practical applications. AI excels in data analysis, predicting consumer trends and identifying high-value segments. This allows for hyper-targeted campaign development and optimized budget allocation. Content creation and optimization are revolutionized by AI. Tools can generate draft copy, suggest headlines, and even optimize content for SEO performance, saving significant time and resources. This ensures your message resonates effectively. Personalization at scale is another key benefit. AI-driven platforms deliver tailored product recommendations, personalized email campaigns, and dynamic website experiences, boosting engagement and conversion rates significantly. Customer service automation via AI chatbots provides instant support, handles routine inquiries, and frees up human agents for complex issues. This enhances customer satisfaction and streamlines support operations around the clock. Successful AI integration begins with clear objectives. Identify specific marketing challenges AI can solve, such as improving lead quality or reducing customer churn. Start with pilot projects to test and learn. Data quality is paramount for AI success. Ensure your data is clean, accurate, and comprehensive. Poor data input will lead to flawed AI outputs, undermining your efforts and investments. Invest in continuous learning and upskilling your team. Understanding AI's capabilities and limitations is crucial for effective deployment and strategic decision-making. Foster a culture of experimentation. Choose the right AI tools and platforms that align with your business needs and existing tech stack. Consider scalability, integration capabilities, and vendor support when making your selections. Integrating AI can present challenges, including data privacy concerns and the need for specialized talent. Address these proactively through robust data governance and strategic hiring or training initiatives. The future of marketing is undeniably intertwined with AI. As AI technologies evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated personalization, predictive analytics, and automated campaign management. Stay agile and adaptable. Embrace AI not as a replacement for human creativity, but as a powerful co-pilot. It augments human capabilities, allowing marketers to focus on strategy, innovation, and building deeper customer relationships. Ready to transform your marketing with AI? Start by identifying one key area where AI can make an immediate impact in your current strategy. Research specific tools and begin a small-scale pilot project. Don't just observe the AI revolution, lead it within your organization, share your insights, experiment boldly, and continuously refine your approach. The future of marketing is intelligent, and it starts with you. Take action now. Explore AI tools relevant to your marketing goals. Share this knowledge with your team and begin planning your first AI-powered marketing initiative today. Your competitive edge awaits.